Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. My name is Muhammad Umar. I'm your English instructor. I hope all of you are fine. Let's start our lecture. Here we have bridging. I hope you have solved it and here is the answer of that bridging. We are going to discuss BLIFT number 49 and the learning outcomes are identify adjectival phrases and use post modifier to go after a noun. The man in the blue shirt. Let's see what post modifier is. Nouns are used in a sentence and the phrases or words that modify the noun are called adjective. If they come after the noun, we called it post modifier. What exactly is a post modifier? Post simply means after. Post modifier are words that come after the main noun in a noun phrase. Here you can see that the modifier comes after noun. They give extra information about the noun. They are absolutely necessary to complete the meaning of the sentence. If you want to identify post modifier, you have to look at these questions. If these questions are answered, that means that words which are answering these questions are your post modifiers. When post modifiers attach to a noun, they help answer our detective question, like it tells us about the place, it tells us about the ownership, or detail about the noun. For example, corruption is a term here used to describe is a post modifier because it modifies the noun term. Find the main noun suspect, like here we have term. Look at the words right after it. Here are the words right after that noun. Step 3, spot the post modifier used to describe. It is a post modifier because it adds in the meaning of a noun. The yellow clue gives necessary information, modify the word term. Now, let's have an idea of adjectival phrase. You have to recall the concept of adjective. Adjectives are all those words which modify your noun, which gives an idea about the noun. Here, let's see, you already know that an adjective describes a noun, like a tall building. Here, building is a noun and the word tall is an adjective. Sometimes adjectives team up with other words to form an adjectival phrase, and the adjectival phrase or group of words that modify a noun is also called adjectival phrase. These phrases do the exact same job. They modify a noun to give us more clues. Here we have an example. Bribery has a harmful impact. Here, harmful impact is an adjectival phrase. He was wearing a crown made of gold. Made of gold is a post modifier and as well as adjectival phrase because it comes after the noun crown. Here we have another example. Corruption is one of the deadly social evils. Here, deadly and social, both these words are used as an adjective because these are the groups of words. That's why we called it adjectival phrase. Okay, bacho. Now here you have classwork. You have to do it in your class. And here's a homework which you have to do at your home. I hope this lecture will be helpful for you. You have learned about post modifier. All those words come after the noun and modify the noun are post modifier, and adjectival phrases. Adjectival phrases are also modify your noun but comes before a noun as well. Okay bacho, do it at your home and at your class. Okay bacho, Allah Hafiz.